A snake tries to cross a territory infested with ants near a drain. The ants swarm in huge numbers and engulf the snake from all sides within a few seconds. The snake is unable to reach the destination and it falls. Quickly, thousands of ants bite the serpent simultaneously. Slowly, the snake tries to reach the water to get rid of those vicious ants, but it is too late now as it nears its end. Number 12. Ants hunt scorpion. A scorpion is walking and watching a large number of ants following it. The ants then attack the scorpion from behind, and the scorpion stings them. However, even the powerful sting of the scorpion is of no use, as both worker and soldier ants join the fight and climb on the scorpion. Slowly and steadily, the ants surround and bite the scorpion from all sides. Some ants try to rip off its leg armor with their razor-sharp jaws, while others cut off its back armor. After being badly overpowered, the scorpion gives up fighting, and soon the ants roam with its dismembered body parts all around. Number 6. Ants hunt freshwater crab. A lone freshwater crab crawls on a forest floor, but mistakenly steps inside an ant colony. The ants quickly climb on its body and look for softer areas as the crab's shell is armored. They soon realize that the areas between the joints are soft and unarmored immediately. With their scissor-like jaws called mandibles, they start nibbling on those portions to paralyze this huge crab. Despite having sharp claws, the crab does nothing to defend itself. The ants continue to enter the flesh of the crab and start feeding on it, while the soldier crabs inject more venom to paralyze it. The process continues as the ants consume the crab alive. Number 2. Green ants hunt scorpion. A tree scorpion is not in the mood to respect the growing boundaries of the green ants' empire and casually enters it. Immediately, one green ant confronts the scorpion head-on, but the scorpion, being larger and stronger, quickly dispatches it. However, while dying, the green ant sends out a distress signal to its fellow ants. Within moments, a huge army of green ants arrives and brutally attacks the scorpion. They quickly climb over the scorpion, but initially suffer casualties as the scorpion stings them to death. More ant reinforcements arrive in no time and start striking at the soft, uncovered joints of the scorpion. As hundreds of ants inject doses of formic acid into the scorpion, it fails to move and is trapped. Like murderous criminal gangs, the ants start striking with their mandibles at all the vital parts of the scorpion. Finally, they cut off the sting of the scorpion, and now hopelessly defeated, the scorpion quits fighting and dies a slow, horrible death.